Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I am done with the work. Again, another late night. Too much to get done, not enough time to do it. Gotta stop and get gas. I'm gonna be walking if I don't. Hey. Oh, something smelled horrible back here. It smelled like somebody's sewer was overflowing. What are you waiting on? Alright. You guys have to watch me get gas, because I'm not turning the damn camera on. You're not going to see my PIN number though. No, I don't want a car wash. When I put the good shit in last time, 93 octane, and my bike started running bad. Apparently it likes the cheap shit, so that's what it's gonna get. There's like a 93 high detergent in there, and that bitch started running like crap. Apparently I was nowhere near empty. She only took 370 to fill up. Nice. That's why I love the motorcycle. Alright, we're off again. The adventure continues. whatever they want to call it. Alright, Terry, this ride home is for you. You're the one asking me, can I go to my happy place and drive like a sane person and go slow and all that silliness, so I'm going to take Gulf Boulevard home. It's a longer trip, but I'll do it just for you. It's 35 mile an hour zone from one end to the other. Down the beach. So driving off into the sunset. Miles an hour, all the way home. Riding off into the sunset. It's fabulous. It is day 20 of the Medi Weight Loss, day 20. Tomorrow is my next weigh-in. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to be there at 7:30, 7:45, whatever, and get weighed in, and then I'm going to head to work. So yeah, good shit. Get to find out where I'm at weight-wise. Take the shortcut. I'm going to take Central all the way down to Gulf Boulevard, right up to the Thunderbird. No cutting the back roads or nothing. Going to ride off into the sunset. road where you lay back and just ride. I've been known to speed down at a timer 5. But you know, it's just motorcycle. It's what you do. You know, you get out there and some guy's at a red light and he takes off real fast and you gotta take off real fast because you don't want him to think you're a sissy. Alright, speed limit 25 and I'm down to 30 and traffic is running up on my rear end, so you know. I'm not going to go too much slower because I don't want to get hit by some jerk in a friggin' car. Speed bump. Yeehaw! Cobblestone. Speed bump. There's the Thunderbird. And the Surf Style Surf Shop, which appears to be closed. I don't think I've ever seen it closed. It's crazy. It's crazy, I tell you. No traffic. Alright, 35 it is. I could just barely maintain 35 in 4th gear. Just barely. This is a beautiful sunset. Nothing but tourist attractions. Hotels, condominiums, and restaurants. For all your beach needs. Why don't come down this road? Only benefit is beautiful ladies in bikinis. But roughly that time of year is passing. To come down and pick up chicks up. You know, just roll down here on the motorcycle and oh yeah. Matter of fact, Terry, I think you're the only woman I know who doesn't like the motorcycle. We got Hooters, Bubblegum Shrimp Company, and St. John's Pass. The touristest of all the touristy. The fabulous Surf Style, VFW, more crap. There's St. John's Pass, Historic Fishing Village and Boardwalk. It's nice down here. I mean, you know, it is a tourist area, it's a tourist attraction, but it is still kind of fun. There's a lot of stuff to do in the off-season when all the tourists go home, because everything's still open. Well, not too bad. It's officially Madeira Beach, right between we're Madeira Beach, just south of Reddington Beach. Nice out here though. That's a fun place. There's diet. It really is a nice evening though. It's nice and cool out. Roads are empty, all the tourists are going home. It's fabulous. Things I don't like about this area. Some of the drawbridges, the smaller ones, are metal grates on the top of them in the center section. On a motorcycle, that sucks. Because it grabs your tires and yanks them back and forth, and if it's wet, it's slippery as hell. You know, I always asked myself back when I was driving the truck, why people on motorcycles sit there at intersections and do the, you know, rev the engine up like that. No, I know. It's fun. You know, show off. Basically like waving your penis around. It's like, everybody, look at my penis. You know, compensating. I'm okay with that. That's awesome. Went from 0 up to 70. Awesome. Love riding a motorcycle. I don't give a damn. drive to his front yard anymore. I gotta circle around and pull up. Be a little rude to just drive up to his front yard. Don't know if you'd appreciate that. Alright folks, home sweet home. Another day in paradise. Like I said, it is day 20 today, the end of it. I am starving right now. I don't know why I'm so hungry. I went and did a unwich for lunch. One of the Jimmy John's sandwiches. It wasn't bad, and it was filling at the time, but I guess because it's going on 7 o'clock and I haven't eaten. But I'm definitely hungry today. So yep, I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna try one of the artichoke. What is it? Chicken, I don't know. The hamburger patties I bought. They're chicken and artichoke or and something. I don't know. Asparagus, I don't know. I don't remember. Can't be asked out to remember stuff like that. Hey, my progressive information. Groovy. Alright. No, I don't care about that. Alright, anyway. Day 20. Been good, sticking to it. Haven't broken my diet, haven't cheated, haven't gone over or under. Doing real good. Quite happy. Oh yeah, I guess for all of you that, no, actually, that's my motorcycle. I guess most of you see me riding it, you've just never actually seen what it is I'm riding. It's a Suzuki Intruder 700. She's a good bike. The seat needs a little work. It's apparently had been covered its whole life, and then of course I parked it out here in the sun and the rain, and it just went to shit. So I'm going to find somebody to recover it in vinyl. I don't want to do leather. Leather's too hard to care for. If I could find somebody to do it in Kevlar, I'd go that route, because that'd be freaking awesome. But, it's a good bike. Been reliable. But anyway, day 20, close of business. Got my weigh-in tomorrow morning, so I'll be able to update you guys on what I've lost or what I haven't. So, love, peace, chicken grease, everybody. See y'all in the morning.